Hello everybody, I'm your host Jason, and in this video we'll be looking at one of the highest paying survey sites around. The website that I'm talking about is Surveytime, and the beauty about Surveytime is it's available from anywhere in the world. So whether you're living in the Caribbean or you're living in the United States, you'll still be able to access Surveytime and be able to make $1 for every survey that you complete. The reason why Surveytime is so highly rated is because each survey that you complete, you will be given $1 immediately, on which you can withdraw via PayPal or you could receive it via Amazon gift card. The options vary depending on the country that you are living in. The only pullback when it comes to Surveytime and its surveys is that depending on the country you're in, you may not have a lot of surveys available, or you may have no survey available at a certain time. But if you're living in the United States or for example in Europe, you'll be able to get a lot of surveys. But anyways, let's dive in. As you can see right here, once you're on Surveytime, it's completely free to sign up, as all you'll need to do is simply enter your email address and create a password. Then you'll be given a sample 2-minute survey that you'll complete for them to match your profile to potential surveys. After you have done that, you will be able to do surveys now and receive your first $1. And if we should go on their FAQ section, you can see right here how does it work. After signing up, as I said earlier, you'll receive a few questions to create your profile, and they'll offer you surveys depending on your interests and the profile fit. And you can see here, where can I redeem my $1? There are different gift cards available for each country. For example, in the US, the options are Amazon, PayPal, Target. As I stated earlier, the payment method varies depending on the country that you are living in. And also the beauty about Surveytime is they will notify you whenever there is a new survey available, whether it be via text or email or web notifications. So you definitely want to turn on your notification when you sign up to Surveytime. And you can do this both on your mobile device and also on your PC. And what happens if you should fail to complete a survey? If you couldn't successfully complete a survey, you will be offered other available surveys that may interest you, but you won't get rewarded for the survey you weren't able to complete. So if you're interested in making money with surveys, you should definitely give Surveytime a try. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.